Insert the wireless programmer into the walkie-talkie and turn them on. To use this feature, you need to log in with your account. Connect Bluetooth. Select the model. Click Read. Click on the repeat list in the bottom left corner. Select the repeater frequency. Click Import to and choose the channel. As can be seen, the imported channel is already within the frequency band of this repeater. Click on the right. After waiting for the progress bar to complete, unplug the wireless programmer and restart the walkie-talkie. The repeater frequency band has been successfully imported into the walkie-talkie.